What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the brand new Traktor Kontrol S3 digital DJ controller. So what we have here is the controller that sits between the Traktor Kontrol S2 MK3 and the S4 MK3. We did both of those reviews and we'll flash those somewhere for you guys so you can see them really quick. But this is the unit that's going to sit between the two. The S2 of course has 2 channels of control while the S4 has all 4. The S3 has 4 channels of control, but they made a few compromises here and there, so it really is like a middle range style of controller when you don't want to spend too much money for the S4 MK3 or you don't want to spend too little on the small and really diminutive style S2 MK3. So let's just open up this box and see what we get inside. Alright, first thing we have over here in the corner is your Traktor Kontrol S3 hardware serial. You also get your Traktor Pro license in here as well. Next thing we have here is a USB cable. This is your standard style USB cable that comes with all Native Instruments devices. Also in here we have your power cable. Unfortunately it is a power brick and it has the many different connection options depending on which country you live in. So power brick for the S3. And last but not least is the controller itself. It's pretty lightweight. Feels like it's mostly made of plastic, by the way. It really does feel like a mixture between the S4 and the S2. You have these nice sized jog wheels with the metal top. Unfortunately, they don't have any actively spinning platters like they do on the S4 MK3. But you do get all 4 channels of your mixing goodness here. You also get your main output and a booth output. Your booth output is TRS. Your main outputs are either RCA or they also have included the balanced XLR. You also have a line in for line D. You have an iOS port back here for USB, and then you have the other USB cable so that way you can connect this to your computer. And you also have your power connector in the back. You have your 4 channels, as we said earlier. You have your quick instant gratification effects here on buttons along with the knobs so you can change them. You have your 4 different mixer effects that you can select right here using these 4 buttons alongside of your 4 channels. You have your cue point selections down here for your hot cues and your samplers. And you don't have any screens here like you did on the S4, but you do have these short throw pitch sliders. Hopefully they're high resolution like most of other Traktor gear. And we'll go through everything, all the ins and outs on this bad boy as soon as we have the review for you guys. We'll have that ready for you within the next couple weeks, so make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the thumbs up if you like videos like this one. And as always, thanks for watching.